Hello everyone, welcome to Techalt. Today we'll be creating a banana using mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Open Illustrator, take a new file, click on OK. Go to File, Open and open an image of banana. You can click this picture on your own using your mobile phone or camera and copy it into your PC, or you can copy the image using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V in Illustrator. If you want to see the size of your artboard, you can see using Artboard tool. If you click on the Artboard tool, you will see the width and height over here. After that, we'll go to Object Lock Selection, or otherwise you can lock this layer. Simply click and you can lock a layer, and then take a new layer and draw a rectangle. Turn off the stroke and set the fill to white. If you cannot find your mesh tool, to open additional tools, simply click and hold the tools where you can see this small triangle, and then you can select the required tool. Take mesh tool, click in the center. Once we click in the middle of the object, it gets converted into a mesh. Click on this circle on layer 2 so that the object is selected on this layer, and we'll go to options for layer 2. Turn off the preview, click on OK. Now we can see the mesh but not the fill. Now we'll take direct selection tool, shortcut key is A, and we'll start giving a basic shape to this object. At first we are going to shape this object using these control points only. If you face some problem, you can use Convert to Anchor Point tool. Shortcut key is Shift+C. So once you are done with the basic shape, go to Window, Navigator. In this Navigator panel, you can see whatever color you will give to this banana. So as you color this banana will be created in this Navigator palette. Now we'll take the mesh tool and draw some mesh lines over here. So we'll draw some vertical as well as horizontal lines. If you're doing it for the first time, don't create too many lines. Once you become an expert, then you can create even more lines so that the mesh becomes complex and the object becomes more realistic and you get a better output. Remember that these points should not overlap each other. You can increase or decrease the level of zoom using navigator panel also. Now we'll press A for direct selection and I for eyedropper tool. So remember A and I. We'll press A to select the control point and we'll press I to pick the color from the object, and that color gets filled in this object, but you're not able to see it right now, but we can see that later on. You can see it in the navigator panel. As soon as you keep coloring this object, the object gets created over here in the navigator panel. So press I and A. Press A and I. A will select the node and I will pick the color. Press A plus I. Press A, I. Continue this till you finish the complete drawing. Remember to go step by step. First finish one line and then start with the other line. As you keep coloring these points in the mesh, you will see that the object gets created in the navigator panel. Slowly it starts to take shape and you will see the color in the navigator panel. So some of the areas are left, as you can see. So we'll pick the colors and again fill for the leftover areas. And if you find that some colors have gone wrong, you can make corrections. Now we'll again click on layer 2 and turn on the preview and click on OK so that we can see the color which is filled. So this is our vector banana using mesh tool. Just zoom and check if there are some colors which have gone wrong. You can make the corrections. Spend some more time and you can make it even better so that it looks even more realistic.